Fusion is the next wave of innovation. There's a model and foundations I can use. It's been thoughtfully researched, and I can set off on a journey learning from 30 world-class innovators. Can I have a map before I set off? Oh, the model is the map. So whose stories are here to inspire me with insights to help me craft my own mental diversity, see new opportunities and create the future? For outward openness, a nun, healthcare founder, e-commerce founder, producer, celebrity chef, and scientist. Impact: better lives for 450,000. Future vaccination for millions. An $850 million company. Emmy Awards. Award-winning deliciousness. And an advanced biopolymer pocket watch for cancer. For inward openness. A serial entrepreneur. Resilience pioneer. Inventor. Activist. Founder. And positive psychologist. Impact: an Emmy Award, a company and a biofuel factory. Resilience and embodied leadership. An autism test for newborns. Programs that change lives. A company that managed $15 billion. And Harvard's most popular course. For collecting, an artist and quantum chemist, sports scientist, scientific app developer, Nokia entrepreneur, Swinetech founder, and toilet evangelist. Impact: one of the 100 most innovative firms in the world. The highest score in Olympic history. DNA analysis on the smartphone. The first digital music deal and high tech for 125 million base of pyramid. $8 billion to save in agriculture. And lives to improve for 2.6 billion people. For sensing. An entrepreneur, ecosystem developer, inventor, urban farmer, joint venture grower, and Time Life National Geographic photographer. Impact: over $1 billion in business built at KFC Australia, Hungry Jack's and Domino's Pizza. Startup ecosystem. Everyday inventions. Lives and nutrition to improve in a $70 billion market. Cross-border innovation. And one of the 25 coolest companies in America. Finally, for fusing, a founder, scientist, best-selling author, startup developer, medical diagnostician, and composer. Impact: a multi-million-dollar company and Rotman Harvard research. Computational structural biology. Connectography. Oil pipe mammography. Life-saving integrated diagnostics. And East-West fusions played by the world's top symphony orchestras. Start reading. Start listening. Start mapping your own journey via mobile, web, retreats and events. Diversify your mind, see new opportunities and connect with new ideas and people. Where will you go from here? What is your fusion?